Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Indonesian cuisine, and we're talking about a dish that's crispy, spicy, and utterly irresistible: Ayam Penyet. But we're not just going to talk about how delicious it is, we're uncovering some lesser-known facts about this iconic dish that will surprise you. Ready to dig in? Let's go! Did you know that Ayam Penyet hails from the island of Java in Indonesia? This dish is deeply rooted in Javanese culinary traditions. The word penyet in Javanese means smashed or flattened. Which refers to the way the fried chicken is lightly smashed before serving. This technique helps the chicken absorb more of the spicy sambal, making every bite packed with flavor. By smashing the chicken, the meat becomes more tender and easier to eat. Ayam Penyet might have been influenced by Dutch colonialism. During the colonial period, the Dutch introduced frying techniques to Indonesia, which were later adapted by locals in dishes like Ayam Penyet. The combination of traditional Javanese flavors with frying methods brought by the Dutch led to the crispy, flavorful chicken we love today. The key to Ayam Penyet's flavorful chicken lies in the marination process. The chicken is often marinated in a mixture of turmeric, garlic, coriander, and other spices for several hours, or even overnight. The fiery sambal served with Ayam Penyet isn't just any chili sauce. It's a special blend that varies from one cook to another. Some versions of sambal for Ayam Penyet include unusual ingredients like shrimp paste, candle nuts, and even tomatoes, giving it a unique depth of flavor. This sambal is the heart of the dish, and every family or restaurant has its own secret recipe. Here's a small but important detail: lime plays a crucial role in Ayam Penyet. Squeezing a bit of lime over the dish before eating not only enhances the flavor but also helps to balance the heat of the sambal. While Ayam Penyet is a traditional Indonesian dish, it's gained popularity far beyond the country's borders. You can find Ayam Penyet in Malaysia, Singapore, and even in the Netherlands. Where it's a favorite among the Indonesian diaspora. In these places, Ayam Penyet has been adapted to suit local tastes, but the core of the dish remains the same: crispy chicken, spicy sambal, and that irresistible smashed texture. One of the reasons Ayam Penyet has become so popular is its adaptability. You can find halal versions, vegetarian variations with tofu or tempeh, and even fusion dishes where the sambal is combined with Western-style fried chicken. Did you know that Ayam Penyet is traditionally served with more than just rice? In many parts of Indonesia, it's accompanied by tempeh, tahu, and fresh vegetables like cucumber and lettuce. These sides add different textures and flavors to the meal, balancing out the heat of the sambal with something cool and refreshing. It's a staple of Indonesian street food culture. In cities like Jakarta and Surabaya, you'll find countless warungs and street stalls dedicated to serving Ayam Penyet. These humble eateries often have loyal followings, with customers swearing by their favorite spot's secret sambal recipe and perfectly crispy chicken. If you're trying to eat healthier but still want to enjoy Ayam Penyet, there are options for you. Some versions of Ayam Penyet are made with grilled chicken instead of fried. While the classic Ayam Penyet features chicken, there are other variations you might not know about. For instance, some places offer ikan penyet, lele penyet, or even daging penyet. These versions follow the same principle of flattening and serving with sambal, giving you new ways to enjoy the penyet experience. Traditionally, the dish is eaten with your hands, as this is believed to enhance the dining experience by connecting you more closely with the food. The fresh vegetables served with Ayam Penyet are often sourced locally, reducing the dish's carbon footprint. Plus, the sambal is made from simple, natural ingredients, making it a great example of eco-friendly cuisine. Ayam Penyet has also gained fame on social media, where food bloggers and influencers share their favorite versions of the dish. The vibrant colors of the sambal, the golden brown chicken, and the fresh sides make it an Instagram-worthy meal. This online presence has helped introduce Ayam Penyet to a global audience, turning it into a culinary trend. Fusion cuisine has embraced Ayam Penyet in some creative ways. For example, you can find Ayam Penyet burgers, where the smashed chicken and sambal are sandwiched between buns, or even Ayam Penyet pizzas, topped with spicy chicken and sambal sauce. These fusion dishes bring the flavors of Ayam Penyet to new culinary territories, proving that this dish is versatile and adaptable. Ayam Penyet is often featured in Indonesian festivals and celebrations. During events like Independence Day or regional harvest festivals, large batches of Ayam Penyet are prepared and shared among the community. It's a dish that not only feeds the body but also nurtures the spirit of togetherness and celebration. So there you have it, some amazing and unknown facts about Ayam Penyet that make this dish even more special. Whether you're a fan of the classic version or you're ready to try one of the many variations, Ayam Penyet is a dish that's full of flavor, history, and a little bit of spice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, Selamat Makan.